So check out these rocks. See all the artifacts, the little things inside there? Like there. One day I seen a heart somewhere. Not a real heart though. But then check this other one out, just right across the way. It's really cool too. Check this shit out. Whoops. Beep. Beep. Oh, there's a little heart. See it? Where's my finger? Where's my finger? See that heart? Kind of looks like a teardrop. But it is so cool. Here I am in Chicago. And there's all sorts of nifty stuff just right around by where I live. Isn't that cool right there? Ooh, whoop, that's turd. Turd. Ooh, stinky tanky.